Good morning, everybody. Today is October 7th, 2025. I just dropped Bella off at the farm. Bella is our golden doodle, for those of y'all that don't know from the shop. But she gets to go out to the farm and have her little fun. There's, probably 10 or 12 other pups out there that they get to just run around like wild banshees and get some of that energy out and have a good time. But this morning I brought a rifle from the shop that I bought over the counter a couple weeks ago, and I really wanted to take it out to the range and just have some fun with it. So headed to Walmart right now. I need to pick up a few targets, rifle targets, some stuff I didn't have. So if this is your first time tuning in, we do appreciate you tuning in. Make sure you check out our Firearms Fridays videos. Everything that comes through the shop and is ready to come out, we do a video on Fridays. We try to drop it that afternoon, sometime between 5 and 6. Check it out. Some pretty good deals on there, and you certainly never know what we're going to have. It could be anywhere from pistols, rifles, ammo, optics, anything we can find that's firearms related. So we hope to see you over there. So if you're new to the channel, feel free to go back and check out some of the older videos. There's actually some that go all the way back to the very beginning. I look at them and get tickled about how empty the store was at that time. But anyway, really hope to see you there. Again, thank you to everybody that's tuned in and is tuning in. And I'd just like to have a lot of fun with this. So let's go pick up our supplies and hopefully see you at the range. All right, I've got everything set up here at the range. I've got a target set down there at 100 yards. Unfortunately, I don't have the setup for 2 cameras where you can see the target and the shoot, so I'll try to do the best I can. We'll just look at the target afterwards. Hopefully whoever I bought this from left it somewhat sighted in. We're fixing to find out here in just a minute. I'm gonna get the camera down over here. Let's see if we can get it in. That should be. All right, so I brought 2 different ammos today. I brought a box of PMC bronze, 147 grain full metal jacket boat tail. Gonna try out some of those. And I brought some Australian Outback 308. This is a 168 grain hollow point boat tail. This is just in case any of those pesky kangaroos come out, but I'm just jiving. Everybody in South Florida knows kangaroos don't come out during the daytime. But let's get this set up. I'm going to do a 3-round group just to see if I even get it on the paper. Big trucks going by. Guess I should have probably set up at 50 first, huh? I'm not even on the cardboard. I'm gonna walk down there and make sure, but I don't even think I'm hitting that whole piece of poster board. Okay, let's try something different. Let me cut the camera off. Be right back. All right, so I think I've got it a little more dialed in. Just want to take a couple shots with this PMC and a couple shots with this Australian Outback. See where they end up. As long as they're on the target, I'll be happy with them. Anyway, let's see if I actually got it somewhat dialed in now. Not gonna lie. Just get here. And it's really something on my shoulder. Even if it will go. No. Just be fine. Cinnamon. I get some cinnamon. So I'm going to walk down there and take a picture of these so we don't lose sight of exactly which shots these were. I'm pretty happy with them. So oh man, what a nice day to be at the range. Just like I've said before, any day at the range is a good day. Weather out here is pretty nice, and it's just me doing a lot of rambling while I walk 100 yards, because I'm certainly not going to run it. All right. Yep, dead space, dead space, dead space. Fast forward to this. I probably just turn around and zoom in on it, be better, but I need to walk anyway. Speaking of walking, I do need to walk. I need to get back out and get a little bit of exercise in, getting pinned up in that shop. I sure do enjoy it, but I sure do get confined to that little 1,000 square feet. So I'm gonna flip the camera around. All right, that's 5. A little bit right, maybe. Anyway, you can see my target's blowing around a little. Certainly not a hole in a hole, but hey, I'm super happy with it. So I'll go back up and go ahead and load up some of that Australian Outback or whatever that 168 grain is. Take about 5 rounds on it, and see you in just a few. All right, so when I went back down, when I was walking back up, I realized I needed to
either put a new target up, but instead what I did was took some of those little sticky dots that come with the target and just put them over the holes, so it looks like we've got a brand new target. I came back, I adjusted the scope just a little bit to the left. I don't know where this particular ammo is going to go, but we're fixing to find out. Let's put a couple shots down range. As they say, fitting to find out. This stuff's shooting center, but low. I know it's only 100 yards. I'm sure a lot of you shooters and hunters probably put a hole in a hole with your rifle at 100 yards. But I'm not a hunter. I've never killed a deer in my life. I don't like being out in the cold. I don't like getting up that early in the morning. It's okay. I do enjoy shooting. I'm just a regular guy out here enjoying what I do and trying to share a little bit of it with y'all. I hope you have enjoyed this. I'm gonna, instead of bore you with the walk down there, I'm just going to take a picture of this target once I get down there, and I'll put it at the end of this video. Sure, I've had fun today. This is my day off. Every once in a while I get to go do stuff like this, and I really enjoy it. I hope you have too, and if nothing else, I will see you Friday on our Firearms Friday release. Hope to see you then. Have a great day.